Hello class, good morning. So today let's talk about multiplying decimals by whole numbers. Multiplying decimals by whole numbers is just the same in multiplying whole numbers by whole numbers. Let's start. So the first problem in multiplying decimals by whole number, the mass of the regular paper clip is 0.5 gram. So it means that the mass of one paper clip is 0.5 gram. How much will 5 paper clips weigh? So in this problem, we just need to multiply 0.5 to 5, and multiplying decimals to whole number is just the same in multiplying whole numbers, but we just need to consider the decimal places. So 5 times 0.5, the answer is 5 times 5, 25. Then count the decimal place since we have one decimal place here, so just move 1. So the answer would be 2.5 grams, or the weight of 5 paper clips is 2.5 grams. The second example is a packet of salt weighs 0.75 grams, or when you say a packet of salt, it's about 2 dashes. So how much will 4 packet of salt weigh? Since a packet is 0.75 gram and we're looking for the weight of 4 packets of salt, or just like you can write it in 0.75 plus 0.75 plus 0.75 plus 0.75, 1, 2, 3, 4, or in multiplication we can just do this as 0.75 times 4. 4 times 5 is 20, carry 2. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 2 is 30. Okay. Then after that, count the decimal places. So in 75 we have 2 decimal place. 1, 2. 4, no decimal place. Then after that, move the decimal. Since we have 2 decimal places, then 1, 2, making the answer is 3.00 or 3. It means that the weight of 4 packets of salt is 3 grams. The third example is if the US $1 is equivalent to 53.41 pesos, $1, 53.41 pesos, how much you get for 50 US dollars? So just multiply the value of $1 to 50 US dollars. So 53.41 times 50. Then multiply 0 times 1, 0, 4, 3, 5 times 0 is 0. The next is 5. 5 times 1. Since 5 is in tens place, so we should put the first product here. So 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. Carry 2. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2, 17. 5 times 5, 25 plus 1, 26. Then add 7. So this is the product, but we have to consider the decimal places. So we have 2 decimal place, 1, 2. Okay, so just move the decimal place, 1, 2. So 2000. it means that the value of $50 or US dollars in peso is 2,670.50. A market vendor bought 3 sacks of potatoes from a vegetable dealer. If each sack weighs 13.2 kg, find the total mass. So since find the total mass of the potatoes. Since we have 3 sacks and each sack weighs 13.2 kg, so just multiply 3 to 13.2 kg to get the total mass. So 13.2 times 3. 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 1 is 3. Then after that, count the number of decimal places. We only have 1 here, 1 decimal. A market vendor bought 3 sacks of potatoes from a vegetable dealer. If each sack weighs 13.2 kilograms, find the total mass of the potatoes. Since each sack is 13.2 kilograms and we have 3 sacks, so just multiply 13.2 to 3 sacks. So 13.2 times 3. 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 1 is 3. Then after that, count the decimal place. So we have 1 decimal place. So 1. So the total mass of potatoes is 39.6 kilogram. What is the area of a flower garden that is 3 cm long and 2.6 meter wide? So if we're going to draw, that would be a rectangular garden. So the area for rectangle is equal to length times width. So if we're going to look at it, of course the length would be 3 meters and the width is 2.6 meters. So this is the formula, just multiply. So 2.6 times 3. 3 times 6 is 18. Carry 1. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1, 7. Then count the decimal place. So we only have 1 decimal place. So if it is 1 decimal place, so just move the decimal place 1 to the left. So the answer would be 7.8 square meter. So this is the area of the garden. For your activity, answer practice A on page 173 to 174. Write your solution on a sheet of paper. Take a photo of your answer, send it by private message. Deadline November 12.